Okay, so today we're going to be looking at exploration 2A and 2B. For 2A, I said my computing innovation that is represented by my computational artifact is Ring Video Doorbells Pro's new high quality cameras. My computational artifact illustrates the computing innovation's purpose by recording videos of people with high quality cameras. This makes it easier to see who's at your door, making your home feel more secure. And then we go to my computational artifact and you get a picture of the cameras, and then you could see some of the pictures that they come out with. So you just take a look at that. And then for 2B, I said to create my artifact, I used a free website called Canva. Canva allows users to create a design from scratch and mostly serves as a template. Additionally, Canva allows users to add text, images, and a background. First, I chose a background and added images from Google Images. Then I added facts, which I found on various websites using Google. And going back to it, I used Canva, and yeah, it gave me a template. I could add the background, add images, and add a couple of facts about it. So yeah, thank you.